Hey guys, welcome to Lola Loops and Stitches. This is Lola. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the vintage square. The vintage square is similar to the granny square, but it's more elaborated. For today's video, I'm using the 24/7 cotton mercerized by Lion Brand and also the crochet hook Prim USG. For more information, you can check it out below in the description. Now, I'm going to start by making a chain of 5. Then you can join the ring by making a slip stitch. Just a quick note, guys. These are very basic stitches what I'm showing you in this video, but if you're very new to the crochet world, you can go ahead and check in the description below. Find the playlist Crochet 101 where I'm showing you all the necessary skill needed in order to complete this one. Between the last and the first chain stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3. And these 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch. I'm going to then make 2 double crochet stitch in the ring. Now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to add 3 more double crochet stitch in the ring. You can hide the tail, carry on the tail as you go, and then all you need to do is cut the end. Okay, so I make 3 more double crochet stitch. I'm going to then repeat the same pattern 2 more times. I'm going to chain 1, make 3 more double crochet stitch, okay, so you should have a total of 12 double crochet stitches counting the chain 3. It will be 3, 6, 9, and 12. Now you're going to chain 1 and I'm going to make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the turning chain. 1, 2, 3, and right here I'm going to insert my hook and complete a slip stitch. And this is how the first round is done. I'm going to make 2 more slip stitch, one in the first double crochet stitch on my left and the other double crochet stitch, one here, my first one here, and then another one in the second crochet stitch. In this second round, I'm going to start by working on the first 1 chain space I created before. Then I'm going to build the other corners to create the square shape. Now I'm going to make this is the 1 chain space. I'm going to make 1 single crochet stitch right in there, and I'm going to chain 3 and add another single crochet stitch. This is the first corner, and if you see, this is already hidden. All I need to do is pull a little bit and cut the thread. Now I'm going to chain 3 and skip the 3 double crochet stitches right next to. I'm going to work in the next space. Again, 1 single crochet stitch, chain 3, and another single crochet stitch in the same 1 chain space. You're going to continue all around until you meet the turning chain. Like I said, you can go ahead and put a stitch marker if you tend to get confused, okay? That's okay, you just need to practice. And repeat. You should have 4 corners in total. Okay, now to join, you're going to chain 3. You're going to skip the 3 double crochet stitches, and you're going to make a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch that you created. Okay, here you go. This is how it looks so far. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch into the corner space here, right next to that single crochet stitch. Another slip stitch, and I'm going to chain 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to add in this chain space, I'm going to add 2 more double crochet stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1, and then right in here in this same space you can just make another 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, that's how it looks. Now I'm going to add 3 double crochet stitch in these 3 chain spaces. Okay, I'm going to add 3 double crochet stitches in the corner space, chain space. Chain 1 and another 3DC. I'm going to be working in each of these corners and on the 3 chain space. See, it's already taking that beautiful shape. Now I'm going to make 3 double crochet stitches in this 3 chain space. Now in this corner chain space, I'm going to work the same thing I did before, 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 1, and again 3 more double crochet stitches. Okay, now 3 double crochet stitches in 3 chain space. And work in the last corner space, chain space. I'm going to work 3 double crochet stitches. Then chain 1 and work 3 more double crochet stitches in the same space. Now in this last 3 chain space, I'm going to work my last 3 double crochet stitches. See how cute? Looks very cute. To join, I'm going to make a slip stitch in the 3 chain turning. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and right in here, I'm going to make my slip stitch to join. This is how cute it's starting to look. Right like this, you can make an ornament. Voila, you have it there. Just put a little hook and there you go to the tree, right? Different colors, you can do it. Many things. I love this square, the vintage square. I love it. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch in the next 2 double crochet stitches right on the left side. To make the first one here, first slip stitch, and then my second slip stitch in the next double crochet stitch. Okay, For this fourth round, I'm going to be working the corners again, like in the second round. I made a single crochet, chain 3, and then again another single crochet in the same space. Now I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to skip the next 3 double crochet stitches. In between here in this space, I'm going to make a single crochet stitch. Sorry. Now I'm going to chain 3 again, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to skip the 3 double crochet stitches, and right in between here, these 2 stitches, I'm going to make another single crochet stitch. Now I'm going to chain 3, and if you see, I'm reaching the corner. Right in this corner, I'm going to work exactly what I did at the beginning of this round. I'm going to single crochet stitch, add one single crochet stitch in the 1 chain space, corner, chain 3, and another single crochet stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip the 3 double crochet stitches right next on the left to make 1 single crochet stitch. Again, chain 3, and again I'm going to make another single crochet stitch, chain 3, and now I'm reaching the next corner, and I'm going to continue repeating the same pattern all around, and you can meet me at the end. Again, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to skip the 3DC, oops, sorry, and make a single crochet stitch right here, and 1, 2, 3, and this is the corner where I'm going to join this round. You're going to make a slip stitch in that first single crochet stitch. That's where you are going to join. This is how easy it is, and it's starting to look beautiful. I'm going to make a slip stitch in the 1 chain corner space in there. I'm going to chain 3, and this chain 3 count as a double crochet stitch. I'm going to add 2 double crochet stitches. So we have 2 double crochet stitches, chain 1, and then add another 3 more double crochet stitches. Okay, right there. Now you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches in each of these 3 chain spaces in between. That's what you're going to do working around. You're going to make then in this next corner, because here, remember, the chain counts as a double crochet stitch. So here you're going to repeat the 3DC, 1 chain 3DC, and then these double crochet stitches in each of these 3. I'm going to show you again, 3 double crochet stitches. Again, 3 more double crochet stitches in the next 3 chain space. Oops. 3 chain spaces. Again, 3 more double crochet stitch in the 3 chain spaces. Now in this corner, I'm going to work three double crochet stitch, oops, one chain, and another extra 3 double crochet stitch in this corner's chain space. Now I'm going to continue. You can continue. Meet me at the end. Again, I'm going to join this 5th round. This will be the 5th round by making a slip stitch in the third chain from the turning chain. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to insert here the 3 chain turning point. Okay, here you have the square. Now if you want your vintage square to be bigger than this, all you need to do is repeat the 4th and the 5th round. So I hope, guys, that you learned something new. So if you learn something new, let me know in the comment, leave questions if needed. Also like and share this video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Happy craft! See you next time.
Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lola Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.